Find the wire for the power supply. Connecting the power supply. The brown color wire is the live wire. The blue color wire is the neutral wire, and last, the yellow color wire is the ground wire with a PE sample. After open the wooden box and find the plastic accessory bag, you will find the spare parts of protective lens and the black color water outlet plug. You can take it out from the smaller box. The purpose of this plug is to put in the water outlet of our jewelry laser welding machine. This is how the wire connected with the power supply. The voltage is 220 volts with a single phase. As you can see, there is the L stand with the live wire with brown color. The blue color with the N sample is the neutral wire, and the PE with the yellow color is the ground wire. In the back of our device, this is the power electronic wire to connect it with the power supply. This is the black wire right there. This tube right there is the air inlet tube for you to connect with the protected gas. It can either be argon gas or nitrogen gas. And below that air inlet tube, we can see this is a full switch. On the right side, this is a water outlet tube and a water inlet tube for you to refill the water for our cooling system inside our jewelry laser welding machine. This black tube right there is plugging into the water outlet tube. Now we are going to show you the tube for the air inlet. This is a 6 mm water tube, air tube. This is how you plug in. So when you try to plug out, you need to press the blue circle easily, and then you can remove the air tube directly. Next, we're going to show you how to connecting the full switch with the machine. You can just plug in. Fill the water for the water cooling system. As you can see, this is a water tank. You can either use the purified water or the distilled water with 3 or 4 liters. This is a 20 mm diameter plastic water tube. This is a water outlet we've been talking about, and this is a water inlet. You can easily plug the water tube into the water inlet plug. And the other side of the water tube into the water tank. And then press the green button on the front side of our machine. Turn on the power supply. When the water is flowing inside the water tank, you have to remove the water tube from the water inlet. interface menu, if you click the function menu with the password we provide and confirming in the empty white space on the bottom right corner, there's 4 different languages for you to choose. The simplified Chinese, the English, Korean, or the Russian. If you click the English language, all those parameters in the interface will be switched from Chinese into the English. So after you confirm which language you choose, you can click the Save button to save all the changes you just made. As you can see right there, this the NO number sample. This represents the storage function. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. With the number change, you can also see the all those parameters: current, frequency, pulse width, spark width will be changed. And you can always adjust the parameters based on different file or 1, 2, 3, 4 to restore the storage function when you try to weld setting for the different welding materials. When everything you want to confirm the change you just made, click the Save button and go back to double check all those parameters is correct or not. After everything is finished, go back to the menu in the interface and turn the on button on the screen, and then wait for 30 to 40 seconds until the machine is working. This is the welding effect displayed by a 10 times CCD external camera. Okay, when you finish use the machine, please press the off button and click yes to confirm and the system will be shut down and turn off. After finish the menu operation and then press the emergency button and the system will be shut down.